Start by drawing the handle. Draw its edges a bit sharp like this. Now I will draw the blade of the sword. The blade is almost double the size of the handle. Now I'll draw this reference line just for the convenience of giving dimension to the coloring. Just draw it like I do. Now color the portion below the reference line black by applying more pressure. And give the upper portion a softer shade of black by applying less pressure. I'll outline the rest of the sword to give it a more finer look. I'll color rest of it plain silver, and it's done. So guys, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends too. And for more such content, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.